Welcome to the online organic chemistry lecture series. Today we are going to study this point, that is Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. In previous video we have seen the Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction, and today we have to see Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. As we have explained already that these two reactions were discovered by the scientist Friedel and Crafts. It is electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction, as you know. So the mechanism of this reaction will be the same as like electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. Now the difference between Friedel-Crafts alkylation and acylation is that the electrophile is acyl group here. Now first of all I will explain what is acyl group. So this RCO, this group is known as acyl group. Okay, so if the substitution of this acyl group occurs on the aromatic ring, then it is called as Friedel-Crafts acylation. So I will take the example. Suppose if we take the benzene and if we react this benzene with suppose RCOCl, suppose that is chloride, and in presence of Lewis acid AlCl3, then there is a formation of this C double bond O R. So this reaction is known as Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. So what is Friedel-Crafts acylation? So we can say introduction of acyl group. So what is acyl group? RCO. Okay. So introduction of acyl group on aromatic ring in presence of Lewis acid. Okay, now here the AlCl3 which is used is Lewis acid. So in presence of Lewis acid is known as Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. So it is very simple. Just the introduction of this RCO group, that is acyl group, on the aromatic ring. The reaction is known as Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Now further we will see the mechanism of this Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. I will write over here once upon the reaction which we have seen earlier. So benzene, I will take here CS3COCl, and in presence of suppose Lewis acid AlCl3, there is a formation of this product COCS3. Okay, and the side product will be HCl, I can say. So this is the Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. You know the name of this is a benzene. This is acetyl chloride, I will say acetyl chloride. Okay, and the name of this product is acetophenone. So this is the example of Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Now I will explain the mechanism step by step in a very simple way. So we know it follows electrophilic aromatic substitution mechanism. So before that we will see how the electrophile is generated. So the first step in the mechanism is formation of electrophile. Okay, formation of electrophile, this is the first step, suppose. So how electrophile is generated? So this acetyl chloride CS3COCl comes in the vicinity of this Lewis acid AlCl3, and this aluminium, as it is Lewis acid, it can accept the electron from this chlorine because chlorine is having lone pair of electron. So there is a formation of this cation CS3COCl, plus this cation is generated, and AlCl4 minus is generated. So this is the acyl carbocation, I will say, and this acyl carbocation will work as a electrophile, okay, for this further mechanism. So what is our starting material? It is a benzene. So I will take benzene over here, okay. So this is a benzene. So this generated carbocation comes in the vicinity of this benzene. This is electrophile, benzene is electron rich, so this electron rich double bond will attack over this bond. So there is a formation of this intermediate. These two bonds will be as it is. So this will be COCH3. Here will be hydrogen, and here there is a positive charge. Now, as like electrophilic aromatic substitution mechanism we have seen in previous reactions, this positive charge is rotated over this benzene ring. So you can draw the resonating form of this intermediate. So here there is a double bond, here there is a double bond, the positive charge will be over here. So COCH3, then hydrogen. Again this bond will shift over here. So again we can draw a resonating form like this, okay. So here is a positive charge now, COCH3H. So in this way this intermediate can be uh, written in three different resonance forms. So 1, 2 and third, and resonance hybrid will be the hybrid structure of all these three intermediates. And in the third step and final step there is a loss of proton to form the product. So how it is, that I will explain here. Take this first intermediate to explain this step. So this is the first intermediate. Here is a COCH3. Here is a proton, here is a positive charge. Now in surrounding, there is a AlCl4 minus present. So this will act as a base. So this negative charge will take this proton, and this bond will shift over here to regain the aromaticity of this benzene ring, and finally we'll get this product COCH3, and the name of this product is acetophenone. So this is the complete mechanism of this Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction with this example reaction of benzene with acetyl chloride in presence of Lewis acid AlCl3 to form acetophenone. So I hope all of you have understood this mechanism. It is very simple to understand. Now we'll see some example of this Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Now let's see few examples. Suppose this is the first example. Now you see it is monosubstituted benzene, and the CH3 group is electron donating group. So electron donating group activates the benzene ring, and therefore the electron density on this ortho position and para position increases. So we get the product at ortho and para position. So we'll get the mixture of this product COCH3 plus we can get the product at para position CH3 COCH3 like this. Similarly, this in the second example also, this OCH3 group is electron donating group. So again it will activate the benzene ring at ortho position and para position by increasing the electron density. So here also we get the mixture of ortho and para product as like a first example. So CO, now here electrophile is C2H5CO, okay, and we'll get a para isomer as well in this way. So here we'll get the mixture of ortho and para product. Now this is a little bit different example. This is acetic anhydride. Remember, this is the structure of acetic anhydride. So this is also the example of Friedel-Crafts acylation in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. Anhydrous AlCl3 is a Lewis acid, okay. So here also we'll get the same product, that is acetophenone COCH3, but a side product will be acetic acid. So this is all about the Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. So in this video we have seen the Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. It is the introduction of acyl group, that is RCO group, on the aromatic system in presence of acyl chloride and Lewis acid. So it is an example of electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction, as like sulfonation, nitration, halogenation, etc. So in this video we'll stop here, and have a nice day. Thank you.